Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Vinod and today again we are going to discuss about how to convert the Lagrangian equation to a Hamiltonian equation. So let's start. So this is the question. This is Lagrangian given to you and here we have three variables r, theta and phi. So I am recommending first you go and watch my previous video where we solved the Lagrangian to Hamiltonian for a single variable. So if you will understand that, it will be easy to understand the two or three variable Lagrangian equation to convert in Hamiltonian equation. So let's start. So first three terms are kinetic energy term. This is r dot square, this theta dot square, and here this phi dot square, and this is the potential energy term. So first we will calculate the r dot, theta dot and phi dot. We will going to calculate r dot, theta dot and phi dot. So for that what we have to do, we have to do the derivative dou L by dou r dot, that is PR, and if I'll do derivative dou L by dou r dot, this is the first term which is having the term r dot, so only this term we will get the derivative, that will be m r dot. Other all terms would be 0 because they don't have the r dot term. Okay, so if we'll see these two equation, we have PR is equal to m r dot. So what we can write, r dot is equal to PR by m. So this is our first task, calculate r dot, that we have calculated. Now second one, we have to calculate the theta dot. So for that what we have to do, dou L by dou theta dot. So this one what we will get, we will get m r square theta dot, and other than this all will be 0 because other all term, this term and this term, they don't have theta dot term, so other terms will be 0, and we know that dl by d theta dot will be p theta. So from these two what we can write, p theta is equal to m r square theta dot. So our theta dot will be p theta upon m r square, right? This is also done. This is equation number 2. Let's take question number 2. Okay, now third is we have to calculate the phi dot. So for that what we have to do, dou L by dou phi dot. So that will, the third term will give the things, other terms will be 0. So what we will get here, m r square sine theta phi dot, and we know again dou L by dou phi dot will be p phi. So from here p phi is m r square sine theta phi dot. So our phi dot will be from here p phi upon m r square sine theta. Okay, so now from this is the, let's take equation number 3, and from this 3 we'll put in Hamiltonian equation. So what will be the Hamiltonian equation here, h is equal to, we have three variable here, so sigma r dot PR plus sigma theta dot p theta plus sigma phi dot p phi minus L Lagrangian. So this will be our equation. So if we'll put value of r dot, theta dot and phi dot in this equation, so what we will get, so r dot, what is r dot? So r dot we calculated PR by m. So it is PR by m, and PR is already there, so this is PR squared by m, plus what is theta dot? So theta dot is p theta upon m m r square, and one p theta is already there, so this is p theta square, plus phi dot. Phi dot is p phi upon m r square sine theta, and p phi is there, so this will be p phi square, minus L, minus Lagrangian. This one we have to put there. So first we will put half m r square, so m by 2, and we will put value of r dot, so r dot will be p r square by m square. Second term of Lagrangian will be 1/2 m r square, and here we will have to put the value of theta dot, so theta dot will be p theta square divided by m square r to the power 4. Next, third term of Lagrangian here, so it will be minus 1 by 2 m r square sine theta, and value of phi dot will be p phi square upon m square r to the power 4 sine square theta. And the last potential energy term, that will be minus kr square, so here it will be plus half kr square. Okay, so next we'll see here this term and this term are almost like same, so what will happen here, this will be cancelled with this, so what we'll get, first term is p r square by m, and this term will be minus p r square by 2m. Now we write the second term, this term, so this is p theta square by m r square, and this is comparable with this one, so here m will be cancelled with m, r square will be cancelled with r to the power 4, so the left out thing here is minus p theta square upon 2m r square. Next term is p phi square divided by m r square sine theta, and here this term is the p phi term, so if we'll see here, m will be cancelled with one of them, r square will be cancelled here, one of sine theta will be cancelled with this, so here what we will get, minus p phi square, this 2 m r square sine theta, and last term potential energy term plus half k r square. This is our Hamiltonian. Now if you simplify more, then what we will get from these two, we will get 1 and minus 1 by 2, so this will be p r square by 2m, plus if you will see these two, so it will be 1 minus 1 by 2, so it will be 1 by 2, so this will be p theta square upon 2m r square, and these two term if you will solve, it will be same as before, p phi square divided by 2m r square sine theta, and the last term potential energy term half k r square. Okay, so this is your corresponding Hamiltonian of given Lagrangian, which we have seen. Okay, I hope this will be understandable, and we'll come up with more such questions with more variables. And thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share with your friend, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt, please email me at this email ID, that is vrphysics21@gmail.com. Thank you so much.